I have launched over 350 products now onto Amazon. Not all of them worked. Surprise, surprise. Not all of them worked. But the ones that didn't work, they all worked for one of four reasons. Now, in this video, I'm going to show you one of those reasons, action, and you can figure out then how to make sure your products will go on to kick ass on Amazon, make you a ton of money. Now, if you like this kind of information where I am helping you make more money on Amazon, you might want to consider subscribing to my YouTube channel because we post brand new money making information just like this each and every day. And you don't want to miss any of that. Also, if you've got any questions or comments, comment below and I'll be sure to answer it for you personally. With that being said, let's get into it. All right, so there are other things on here we could go through. Like I could go through each of these images, and there is a lot that we could comment about those images, specifically around the utility of them for furthering the sales argument. The images themselves are fine as far as images go. It's just the utility of them to advance the sales argument has not been thought through at all. So last part, add to cart. That's the last thing that really matters when it comes to making sales. So is the thing being searched for? So search term. Does the thing get clicked through from this page to this page? And the final thing that really matters to make money, of course, is do people buy it? And so the things that really affect buying, people buying something, are all things we've actually already kind of discussed. Are the secondary images are hugely influential in doing that. And what I aim to do is this. So read these. These are actually, their bullet points are actually not bad at all. Unique and fun. Show your love for wiener dogs while you have fun serving drinks. You'll be the talk of the party when people not only see your glass, but how you're keeping your drinks chilled. Lots of people have asked boys and cues, but dash hands, no way. See, that's great. That's cool. If I read that, I'd be like, yeah. I can imagine myself at a party serving this, and I'm placing myself into a situation where I need the product to fulfill the image in my head. Anytime you can do that, that's awesome. What I then do is that bullet point should match that image. That bullet point matches image number 2. So image number 2 visually represents what I'm talking about in bullet number 1. Hero image, you know, there's not a great deal you can do with that. That is not the best hero image. Maybe, as a couple of you've said, that's a better hero image, or maybe that's a better hero image. Although these hands that are being used here, the nails are terrible. They should definitely have female with a nice hand holding those glasses. Looks like they've got a bloke's hand holding the glasses. They shouldn't have that. But outside of that, that image there should match that there. That's how I structure these things. So I spend all of my time thinking about what the story of the product is, what I want to get across, what are the main features of the product, what are the benefits of those features. Every bullet point has a feature and a benefit in it, and then every image also demonstrates that feature and that benefit. So just to bring it back to something we've said already, well, that's a lifestyle image of a party having fun with your wiener glasses. And as somebody said already, you could actually put your wiener ice cubes in there. That could work. You'd need to see that in situ. I don't know if it would. But the rest of these are good. Size matters. Does it though? Do people actually give a rat's ass about how big those wine glasses are? I don't think they do. I don't believe, you'd have to go and do the research, but for me, once I've seen that they're standard glasses, then that's all I need to know. It's a standard wine glass. Everybody knows how big that is. Boom. So for me, that's a wasted bullet, because I already have got a sense that, yeah, that makes sense. And I don't think it's a make or break for buying a product that that the size is important enough. I don't believe it would be. Durable and dishwash safe, great. Great for adults and their children. Well, perhaps. Again, if I'm buying it for an adult, then I want to focus on them. I want to focus on them and what's going on with them. Does that all make sense? So the way that I structure these listings, which is exactly what I'm taking through with this $1 million listing thing I'm doing for Inner Circle, is you kind of start, well, you do start from the customer. You start with them. What's important to those people, which is what we do in the AOE training as well, by the way. So all this does in the Inner Circle is it takes what I teach you in AOE training and takes it up a level, and I go a much, much deeper into it, all right? But you start with the customer. What's important to them about the product? And then we start building the product to perfectly match what's important to the customer. And then we build the listing based on that. That's how I approach things. And there's a way, scientifically way, that you do that so that you know you do it. Hi, this is Neil Asher from the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs, where we help people just like you make more money online. We've got 2,500 members and growing. We're the fastest growing e-commerce community here in Australia. Our members have got sales of over $50 million. Yes, indeed. If you'd like to find out more and indeed join us, get yourself off to www.aussieonlineentrepreneurs.com.au. The link is in the description, and I will see you next time. Bye for now.